guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a special project that I'm going to start working on, excuse me, very soon. I'm almost done with the Christmas journal kits, and you will see videos of those probably Monday or Tuesday. However, today I wanted to share the kits that I will be using in my next project. The lovely Banya at SS Digital Studio reached out to me and asked if I would do a project with a couple of her kits. And I was very honored that she would ask me to do that. And so the kits that I'm using are the Botanical Journal Kit, and then also the Botanical Loaded Pocket Tags. And I'm gonna go through, I just wanna show you, I printed everything out and I wanted to show you what they look like. They are gorgeous. And then I will do at least a flip through when I'm finished, and maybe I'll do some process videos as well, depending on how much time I get to film. But anyway, so I want to start with the Botanical Loaded Pocket Tags. So you get 12 total JPEG files. These are designed on 8.5 by 11 paper, but you can, scale to fit on whatever paper size you may have. So you get 6 pocket tags. So you get 6 tags here. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. They're very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love the pop of, some color on the very vintagey backgrounds. Very cool. And then you have the pockets that go on those tags, right? And then there are 3 sheets of ephemera to decorate and to stuff the pockets with. So there are these tags here that are smaller, so they'll fit inside, and there are 6 of those. Very pretty. Oh, that blue, isn't that gorgeous? My friend Dee Dee, I think, will love some of the images in this kit because there are blue irises, and I know those are her favorite. And then this sheet here with some stamps and some tickets. Little label here. Very pretty. And then also this sheet. Just gorgeous. The pinks. Oh, just so pretty. I'm so excited to work with this kit. And then there are 7 background design papers to print on the backs. I only used a couple of them for this particular, for the backgrounds, but here's one. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. It's kind of grungy and watercolory. It's so pretty. So I used that twice, and then I also used this beautiful blue and green as well. That's on the backs of the ephemera. So that is the Botanical Loaded Pocket Tags. And as usual, I will link all of this in the description box below, so you can go directly to Banya's listings. And I'll also just link to her shop in general, because she has a lot of beautiful digitals. So the main journal kit is the Botanical Journal Kit, and it is 36 pages. It is huge, and everything is just so gorgeous. So you get 27 journal pages, that fold in half to make 54 pages for your journal. There are 5 background designs to go on the backs of the papers or on the backs of the embellishment sheets, and there are 4 of those. So I'm just going to go through. Now, I printed these on a variety of specialty papers. So this is parchment. Look how pretty that looks. So this is just, kind of your standard parchment paper. Look at that. I love that so much. I think this might be my favorite page, but I'm probably going to say that a couple times. So you have that page. And then this is on sort of a, I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but it's like, it's sort of whitish gray, but there's like flecks in it. Like it looks like fibers. I'm not sure. I think this was some of the paper that my mother-in-law gave me, so I'm not entirely sure what it's called, but I just thought it would look really pretty. And it does. And here we have some more blue irises. And again, that's on that whitish gray paper. And then here's a gorgeous lined page, and I might print more of these, but there's, you know, you've got the flowers just very faint in the background. Oh, I love this one too. I don't know what these are called, but I have them in my yard, I believe, and I love them. And this is, I think this is more of a bluish kind of that textured paper. So, oh, just gorgeous images. And that purple, oh, so pretty. And the vintage feel. And I love this as well. This was another one of my favorites. And then you have this one. I'll go a little faster, but I want you to see how pretty these are. Oh, and this is a different kind. This is sort of like it looks like a marbly kind of paper. I had this paper in my stash and I thought, well, I might as well use it, right? I've used the parchment before, but I hadn't used the other. I love this with that like topiary. Some more lined paper, but with gorgeous flowers on the edges. And I love this like little banner and this little wood looking plaque up at the top. And this is just kind of a plain page. Some more lined with the flowers in the background. Just gorgeous. Just kind of a muted iris there. And then I think this was supposed to be a background page, but I used it as a regular page because I loved it so much. And this little tag at the top, just so cute. This little feather, or a quill actually. And then I think this was also a background page, or, you know, meant to be on the backs, but I just used it as a regular page because I didn't print on the backs. Oh, this is kind of like a textured paper as well. Same here. This is on the parchment. I sometimes forget to print on, you know, something other than just plain white cardstock or copy paper, right? I forget that I have all this other paper in my stash that can be printed on. So I actually remembered this time. So yay me, right? This is gorgeous. Oh, and I love this one too. Look at those flowers. Very pretty. This was another of my favorites. And then there are two pages that are technically, they print portrait, right? So I'm not sure yet if I'll use these, you know, just turn them sideways and use them as journal pages, or if I'll do something else with them, but they're gorgeous. I love them. And there's this one. And then we have the embellishment pages. So you get an envelope, and then there's some tags here and a little tag. And then I printed some of the background on the backs of those. And these are just on white cardstock. And then this, oh, I love this one. So pretty. Couple tags here and some more background on the back. And then this one. I love these little kind of baby tags. And then there's another one of the backgrounds there. So those are the kits that I will be using for this project. I want to say a huge thank you again to Banya for reaching out to me. I truly was very honored that you would think of me to do a project with your kits. I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I do love working with botanicals and nature themes. So yeah, I'm super excited. So thank you, Banya, and stay tuned for more on this project. And like I said, I will be back Monday or probably Tuesday with the finished Christmas journal kits. I apologize for the barking in the background. Oscar must hear something. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. Take care of yourselves, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.